Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. This is day 23 and I'm Chris O'Neill and I'm realizing my ring light is shining right in my eyes here. Boy, I'll tell you, let me move that a little bit. All right, so I have a little monitor here, a little behind the scenes action. All right, the ring light is going off. Just because I can't get it right. All right, we're just gonna have to make do. That's one thing they don't tell you when you start doing YouTube videos. Lighting is so hard, so hard. I struggle with it all the time, especially since I wear glasses. Okay, so yesterday we got the bolts, the little mini bolts, and I did wrap some fabric in it. And it's really cute. It's hard to see. You can kind of see it's an acrylic, clear acrylic plastic. And I did use the clip. I didn't put the label on. I love these. I think it's a really cute idea. I think they take up a ton of space, especially compared to the comic book boards that I use, because you have to fold these over twice. So if it comes off the bolt, usually for my comic book boards, I fold it once, but this you have to fold twice to get it this small. It would be really cute in a little mini display if you had some pretty fabric that you wanted to show off. Overall, I don't know that I would use this, and I always record ahead of time, so I didn't see Jenny's video on this yet. Maybe I'll feel differently after I see it, but they're really cute, really nice, and wonderful quality. I just don't know what I would use them for, except for maybe a display, and maybe that's what I'll do. Anyway, I do love them. I do think they're adorable and a wonderful, wonderful quilty idea. I am valuing these at $15 for the set for everything we got. I have no idea what to put as a value on these. That brings our grand total to $300, and that's $120 over what we paid for this box, those of us who got it. So, I mean, the value obviously is there. It's so much better even than last year. So I'm very happy with that. Let's see what day 23 is. And I can tell you, if the rest of these gifts are stuff I don't like, I'm still coming out like so far ahead because I like everything that I've gotten so far, for the most part. I think with the exception of like 2. Anyway, all right, let's take a peek inside. Oh, we got another pattern. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. This is a rotary cutter and scissors keeper. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I love that. All right. And then a magnetic snap. Oh, it's a magnetic snap. It's from Sallie Tomato, one of my favorite companies. And this must be for our little mini project. Oh, you know I'm making this. You know I'm making this. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this. I love this. Oh, I love this. And I've never worked with this type of snap before. Oh, maybe I have. I might have. It's with the clasp that you put on like the backing and then put it through. I think I have. But still, oh my goodness, this is going to be so much fun to make. I love the fabric. Look at the fabric that they used. Oh, I wonder if we get that fabric. Let's see what tomorrow's is. Okay, spoiler, I'm going to look and try to peek at tomorrow's gift. So don't look if you don't want to see. All right, Christmas Eve it doesn't feel like fabric. That's okay. That's okay. I have tons of fabric I can use to make that thing. But what is this? This is some sort of book. I don't know. It's not a spiral book. It's some sort of book thing. I don't know. Oh, I can't wait to find out. It's not fabric, but that's okay. The last one might be fabric, maybe. It's in a box. It might be. I don't know. It might be. Anyway. Lastly, sorry I was so rough looking yesterday when I was editing the video. I could not believe it. And I know a few of you had asked about me not feeling well. I felt fine other than just being really tired. And again, it goes back to lighting sometimes on how well I look in these videos. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time to sew. And I hope you are having a good week. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.